friends, today in our channel we are going to see a healthy protein packed salad which can be a dinner or a lunch recipe. It hardly needs 10 minutes of your preparation time, yet very healthy. I will also tell you what are all the other toppings you can add to this salad to make it more healthy and more tasty. So friends, let's quickly run through the ingredients that's needed for making this salad. So for this recipe, I have taken 1 cucumber chopped, 1 red onion roughly chopped, 1 medium-sized grated carrot, and 1 cup of chole or chenna soaked overnight, and I have boiled that with needed salt. Now for dressing, I have taken 1 medium-sized lemon and squeezed into juice, and I have mixed it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also add 1 or 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to the dressing, and it's optional. Now let's mix all the ingredients in a mixing bowl together. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin and half tablespoon of chili powder to the dressing for spicing up the salad a little bit. Now let's start dressing up our salad. There is no salad without ground pepper, right? So let's add some ground pepper to our salad too. Once the mixing is done, let's add a bunch of chopped coriander leaves too. Yes, our salad is ready, and now let's start plating it. Now, after plating it, I'm going to top up the salad. I'm going to add some peanuts for a crunchy taste first. And then some avocado. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal to our salad to make it more healthy. I will also try to make a separate video of using this flaxseed for our health as well as for beauty. That's it. So our salad is ready. It also tastes better when you eat it after refrigerating for half an hour.